All right, let's cut right to the chase. If you're a college student, especially in biology, medicine, or even art, you've probably heard the phrase, you have to learn the basics before you can innovate. But what if I told you that one of the best ways to build your foundation is by literally digging through the layers? Yep, I'm talking about animal anatomy studies. Now, maybe you think animal anatomy is just for veterinarians or people who want to draw horses perfectly. But here's the wild part. Understanding animal anatomy is like holding a master key to the way life is built. From the inside out, animals show us how evolution tinkers, how structures work together, and how even tiny changes can make a huge difference in function. Let's start simple. When you dissect a frog in lab, you're not just meeting Kermit's insides for fun. You're tracing the blueprint of vertebrate life. Frogs, fish, birds, mammals. Our organs might look different, but they connect back through millions of years of shared history. The layers of muscle, the path of nerves, the way bones fit together. It's like reading the world's oldest manual on how to build a living thing. Here's why that matters. Say you're studying medicine. Human anatomy can look super complicated, but once you grasp the basics through animals, you start seeing patterns. You notice, hey, this artery branches the same way in a cat as in a person. Suddenly, memorizing isn't just memorizing, it's logical. You see how injuries or diseases ripple through the body because you understand how one layer supports another. And if you're in art or animation, studying animal anatomy isn't just about making creatures look cool. It's about giving them believable movement and emotion. Think about every epic movie monster or game character you've seen. They move realistically because their designers understood real muscle and bone beneath the surface. But it's not just academic. Learning through layers teaches you to think in systems, to ask, what's under the surface? That kind of curiosity doesn't stop at biology. It bleeds into engineering, robotics, even philosophy. When you peel back the layers, you learn to appreciate the complexity and the beauty of how everything fits together. So next time you're handed a textbook or a scalpel and told to study animal anatomy, don't roll your eyes. Think about what those layers really represent, the universal language of life. And whether you're headed for med school, the art studio, or just trying to understand how the world ticks, diving into anatomy is like unlocking a cheat code to deeper learning. So, get curious, dig deep, and remember, every layer tells a story worth learning.